It is Townhouse Tuesday, and do I have something special to show you? It is a townhome that is conveniently located at the intersection of Mallard Creek and Mallard Creek Church Road. You don't want to miss this one. So I'm currently at Glenmere Townhomes, but before we go inside this three-story townhome, which is absolutely gorgeous, I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, real estate, and the Carolinas. If you like any one of those things, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and consider joining the family where you get behind the scenes stuff, whether it be interviews or just insights or even other house tours. Now let me give you what you came for. This is Townhouse Tuesday. Why townhomes? Well, townhomes are convenient and they're typically less expensive than single family homes. And you'll see more and more builders building a lot of townhomes to try to meet the demand for inventory that we need. So come with me, let's go inside this Chandler floor plan and I'll tell you more details about it once we get on the inside. Now here we are at Glenmere at Mallard Creek. Now this is by Eastwood Homes. You have to act fast, there's only a handful remaining. Now it starts off as a 3-bedroom, but you can go all the way up to 5 bedrooms. 5 bedrooms in a townhome. And you can have up to 3 full baths and a half bath. When you come in, you do get a 1-car garage. You can choose to make that a tandem garage, which means it's just extra deep, so you can fit 2 cars. And this downstairs, you can have it as a bonus room, like it is right here. You can make it a bedroom, and you can make this an ensuite as well, a full bathroom. Now I told you it was conveniently located. Now it is not far away from your Walmart, your Target, your Sam's Club. And it is literally about 2 to 3 minutes off of an 85 exit. US Highway 85. Now let's go upstairs where you have the entertainment area, the living room, the dining area, the kitchen. Look at how spacious this is. Just envision yourself entertaining, having family, having friends over. You have outdoor space in the front of the home and on the rear of the home. Now you can configure this different ways, and they will have other townhouse communities coming up. But look at this wall of cabinets and this huge island. Now I said you can have up to 5 bedrooms in here. You could actually put a bedroom and a full bathroom right on this level as well. Large pantry. You have a half bath in this floor plan. Now pricing for this will begin right around $420, $430. Please reach out to me. My contact information is on the screen. My team and I would love to help you and assist you in finding a home that fits your needs. Whether it's a townhome or single family home, we have you covered throughout North Carolina or South Carolina. Now going up to the 3rd story. Look at the size of this bedroom. This is a secondary bedroom, but it is a very generous size. And you have a small walk-in closet. I'm not sure if you consider that a walk-in closet. This is the secondary bathroom. You have dual vanity sinks, large tiles in the shower. Now this is perfect for somebody starting off or somebody that just doesn't want the headache of having to do yard work. You can't see me right now, but I'm raising my hand because I hate doing yard work. And you can see the quality. Look at these iron rods. Now typically you'll see wooden rods right there, but they went the extra step and put the wrought iron rods, just the small things, the attention to detail. Now we head into the primary suite. You have the tray ceiling. Nice size room. Look at this walk-in closet we're about to go look in. Again, reach out to my team and I. There's only a little less than a handful remaining at this community. So reach out to us. Number is 704-775-1236. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because I have many more videos I am putting out, not just house tours, but just talking about the housing market in general and how you can position yourself to take advantage of it, whether it's an up market or down market. That is one of the beauties about real estate, is that you can take advantage of it no matter what. I'm Sir Ashley. I will talk to you soon.